Yo, what's really good? It's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, you see it. We got the 2 Hat Club exclusive special. This is a 2-box special right here, man. So, look, we got something from the Valentine's Day collection, and we got something from that cotton candy collection, B. So, let's go.
Hat Club got me dripping. Pink brim when you see me. Blue brim when you see me. Red brim when you see me. I'm litty, and I be holding down the city. I'm litty, I be holding down the city.
All right, welcome back, man. So right here we have box number 1. You feel me? I got my trusty box cutter right here. You feel me? So you know what time it is, man. Say it with me. I'm going to slice it right on down the middle. You heard? Peel it back. Let's go, man. Peel back gang. You know what time it is, man. We got to peel it. Uh-oh, let me get a little. There we go. You have to put a little extra slice on it. You feel me? They must have put some Gorilla Glue or something on this, B. So let's go. We're going to peel it back. Let's go, man. This box number 1 right here. You feel me? We got a packing slip. B, you know what, man? I'm so happy right now, man. Because when I got this, I ordered this, and it was not a restock. It wasn't a pre-order. But look, man. I got this off of that, like, second. Actually, let me take it out the wrapper so you guys can really get a good idea of what this pen looks like, man. Because I didn't put a pre-order in, man. You know, I slept on the pre-order. And so when it was pen time, hold on. Let's look at this pen. Let's take a second. Get up in there, camera. I gotta get away. If anything, I'll cut to like a B-roll or something so y'all can see this pen. Because this pen right here is ridiculous. But yeah. This pen right here is ridiculous. So like I said, I had to cut to some other footage so you can get a good idea on this pen right here. This is the Cotton Candy Hat Club exclusive pen. And you know when you do that pre-order, you get that exclusive pen. Like I said, I slept on the pre-order because I already have my Cotton Candy. I think I have the Yankees from the Cotton Candy, so I wasn't really tripping, you feel me? But yeah, man, I couldn't pass this up. When it was coming back out, man, I had to get it. Right here, man, we got the Cotton Candy St. Louis Swinging Bird right here, man. Just take a look at that, man. The Swinging Bird is slowly starting to become one of my favorite logos now. Like, you know, I'm the Blue Jays dude, man. I love the Blue Jays bird, but just take a look at that, man. Very crispy right there, you feel me? We got that 1964 World Series patch, man. Like, the joint is really hitting. Just take a look at that, because you get that all gold center, you feel me? You get that pink, and you get that baby blue, man. Now, let me just go ahead, quick overview of the hat, man. We got the all baby blue, you feel me? This is Cotton Candy, so you got the all baby blue. You got the pink swinging bird right here, man. You feel me? It's got that pink, it's got the black, and the bat is actually like a little bit of a goldish color. So it's not as gold as the thread here, but it's just like a little bit of a muted gold on the bat right there. We have the flat Batterman logo in the back right here, and that's all pink, you feel me? Like, this is just one of those hats that I really wanted, and once I saw that they were dropping the rest of the hats that were like after the pre-order, I knew I was gonna jump in on these, man. We got a size 7 1/8 right here. Hold on, it's kind of shiny, but it's a size 7 1/8 right here. We got the all black sweatband, you feel me? We got the New Era flag on the side right there in that baby blue, so it's gonna blend in well with the rest of the hat. Pink bottom, so that's where that cotton candy kind of comes in. Let me see if we can there we go. We got that pink bottom right there, you feel me? And the cost of this one was 45 bucks, which is, like I said, that's like the standard price, man. So yeah, I'm very happy with the way this one looks in person, man. Let me go ahead and take this joint off. Let me see. Let me go ahead and, ooh, good fit alert, man. We got a good fit on this one, you feel me? Yes, sir. Yes. No, there's no space, so I like it like that, you feel me? Let me go ahead and go to the side. Do some of that side pass shot right there. Little side pass special, you feel me? But yeah, I really wanted this hat, man. So when it became available, you know, I had to jump on it. And like I said, man, that swinging bird is really starting to become one of my favorite logos. So I had to double back and grab the cotton candy swinging bird, you feel me? So right here, I got this shirt. This is like a H&M, just a regular basic tee from them, man. But I wanted to put this on with this hat because it already has like that pink flavor, like as far as the t-shirt color. But then you also got that water, and that water is gonna hit you with that baby blue, you feel me? Like this is a good color combination in my eyes, you feel me? Now talk to me, let me know what you rocking with your cotton candies. I mean, everybody had the opportunity to grab them, you feel me? They already went through pre-order. They already went through that first drop. They already went through the second drop, you feel me? So, I mean, everybody should have them in hand by now, man. Let me know what you rocking with them, you feel me? Because I'm going to need more fits than just this, you feel me? I could always go white tee, and I'm a big fan of white tee, so don't get that twisted, you feel me? But let me know what you rocking with your cotton candy, man. On to the next box. So let's go ahead and get into box number 2, man. Let me go ahead and slice it down the middle. You know what time it is, man. We're going to peel it back. We're going to peel it back. Let's go. Let's go, man. We got packing slip right here. Man, Hat Club is doing their thing, man. And just check out this, man. Check out this work, B. When I saw this pen, I said, they outdoing themselves right now, man. This might be the best pen I've seen Hat Club make, just period, B. Look at this joint, man. Look at this joint right here. Look at that. Look at the gold. You already know how I am about the gold, but just look at that, man. Sweetheart collection, B. You got the Cupid, you feel me, with the Hat Club hat on his head, you feel me? Shooting that arrow, man, and that golden red, like, you really can't beat that. Like, this pen is worth the cost of admission right here, just off the strength. But let's get into the hat, man. Come on, man. It's like, you notice a lot of my hats are birds for some reason. For whatever reason, a lot of my hats are birds. So today, I have the Sweetheart Collection Blue Jays right here. You feel me? Red and pink, man. It's like, you can't really go wrong. Now, the only thing I wish is that they dropped these a little bit before Valentine's Day so that we were able to wear it on Valentine's Day. I think this one came out like the day before. So, you know, with shipping, it took a little while, but, you know, it's in hand now. And I'm happy with the way this thing looks, man. Let me go ahead and give you that shot. This is that Blue Jays, and the J is actually in a pinkish color. It's like a pink and almost a maroon as well. So it's like your hat is all red. You have the Blue Jay in that maroonish kind of pink color right there. You feel me? You got the pink bottom. Let me see if we can get something a little closer on that. There we go. Yeah, you got that pink right there, man. White sweatband, man. Now you know what time it is with the white sweatband. Like, the white sweatband looks the best. Everybody knows that. But it's hard to keep white, you feel me? But you know, we already got our methods now. If you've seen the other video, you know we got our methods how to keep these things white, man. So I'm always a fan of the white sweatband. Let's get to the side patch, man. The 30th season side patch right there. Let's go, man. It's so clean. The hat is just so clean. And I got a pair of shoes in mind that I want to bust with these, man. So we'll see what happens, man. We'll see what's going on with the shipping on those shoes, because if those shoes come through, then you will see an on feed with those shoes and this hat. But for right now, I'm gonna just show you something that I'll wear with this hat right here. But man, this joint is clean, man. Sweetheart Collection Jays. This was probably my second favorite hat out of the collection. But that Detroit Tigers hat was crazy too. It was like, that was bananas. I think that was the first, as far as how good they looked, I think that was the first one. And I think this was second, just to me, because, you know, I love all the birds, you feel me? So, yeah, man, let me go ahead and take this joint off. Let me go ahead and put this one on. This one is a little bit more roomy than the last one, just so you know. It's still not big. I can only do like maybe one finger on the side. You feel me? But yeah, let me go ahead and give you some of this. Let me turn to the side, give you some of that side patch. Yeah, man, this joint right here is cool, man. Now, let me go ahead and show you what I will wear with this hat, man. So, stay, you know, hold tight, B. I'm going to put something on, you feel me, just so you can get an idea on what I would rock with this hat. And so, for the Blue Jays hat, I decided to go with the red Nike t-shirt Now, I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but it has like little white dots all on the shirt. So that kind of represents, you know, that white sweatband. So you get a little bit of that white. You still get a lot of that red, you feel me? And it's like a ombre shirt. So it kind of fades from red to white at the bottom. So actually, let me see if you can kind of see how it fades. Just a quick little, you know, you can see how it fades. And I just like that because it gets you a little bit of that pink in there too as it fades from the red to the white. And I mean, I really like this combo, man. Like, I could see myself rocking this for sure, you feel me? But please go ahead, give this video a like, comment, subscribe. Tell me, what were you able to get from the Sweethearts Day collection? What were you able to get from the Cotton Candy collection, man? Talk to me, I talk back. You already know what time it is, man. It's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.